Back out here today, little bit something different for you guys. Got some new wheels and tires for the Alltrack today. Got those set up. Originally, not really ever a big fan of black wheels, but I think for this application on this car, I think they fit pretty well. Kind of got the look I was going for. As you can see, they're a KMC wheel. Look a little bit more truckish, maybe a little bit of off-road style to them, which probably what this car is going to stick with. It's an Alltrack, all-wheel drive. We use it for a lot of everyday things, so this one's not getting lowered like all the other ones. So these wheels, they were a huge improvement over stock, not only in looks, but they're a little bit bigger. We upsized. The original VW wheels were a 17x7 with an offset of 42, and the tire that was on those was a 205/55/17. These KMC wheels that I picked up, these are a 18x8 with a 38 offset, and the tire is a 225/45/18. So they do fit a little bit closer to the fender, as you can see. Sit a little bit more flush. I think the rear could use a spacer. Same with the front, but for now I'm going to stick with what I have. May go through some spacers that I have at home. Yeah, kind of go from there. But look at the car, came out pretty good. Pretty happy with it. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this one. It's just going to be a quick one, show you what we got for the Alltrack. I'm going to have some more Alltrack videos, probably some of the Mark 6 GTI, and definitely more of the Cabrio. So if you're enjoying some of these videos I'm putting out, even if there's quite a bit of space in between them, go ahead and like them, comment, subscribe. If you guys have any questions on the fitment of these wheels, or anything about what the current setup is, really on any of the vehicles, just let me know. Until next time, guys.